The emperor angelfish Pomacanthus imperator is a fascinating marine species known for its striking coloration. Emperor angelfish exhibit different behaviors during the night compared to the day. At night, they often find a secure spot within the reef to rest. They can change their coloration to become less conspicuous to predators while resting. Emperor angelfish are known to be curious and intelligent. In captivity, they often interact with their environment and exhibit behaviors suggesting problem-solving abilities, such as learning to recognize their keepers or finding new ways to access food. When threatened, emperor angelfish may engage in bluff charging, where they swim aggressively toward the threat in an attempt to intimidate without actual physical contact. This behavior is a common defensive tactic in many territorial fish species. They are known to be selective feeders, sometimes targeting specific types of corals. This selective feeding can influence the composition of the reef, as their grazing helps control the growth of certain coral species, contributing to the overall health of the reef ecosystem. They exhibit strong homing instincts, meaning they can find their way back to their specific home territory even after being displaced. This ability is crucial for maintaining their territory and access to resources. Studies suggest that emperor angelfish have good memory and learning abilities. They can remember the locations of food sources and recognize individual fish within their territory, indicating a high level of cognitive function. Emperor angelfish has dramatic color transformation as it matures. Juvenile emperor angelfish are dark blue with white and blue concentric rings. As they grow, they transition into the vibrant adult coloration, which includes blue and yellow horizontal stripes with a black mask around the eyes. Juvenile emperor angelfish sometimes act as cleaner fish, picking parasites and dead skin off other fish. This mutualistic behavior helps them gain food and establish social bonds with other reef inhabitants. As they mature, they generally outgrow this role and become more solitary.